Hello friends, for intraday trading today I have selected ISR Motors, and today I have the best example of trading based on news as well as on price chart, and I will also show you how upcoming news is already shown by the price chart and how we can use that particular news when it came out and what is the current price action on the basis of that particular news. So let's start our video. Very first reason for selection of this stock that I have already drawn on price chart, you can see multiple sign of dominating pressure, and dominating pressure in this stock is selling. In the market current, dominating pressure is selling still because, as you know, there are some fundamental reasons of the war between Rus and Ukraine, and that has impacted the price of stocks and other commodities all over the world. And the current crash of the market is also coming because of these crises. So these are the things that we should take care of whenever we plan for intraday, or whenever we are going to place a trade in the market, because this thing will impact, definitely this will impact each and every trade. I will show you how. Today in the morning, when I was actually reading newspapers, I got to know in the newspaper that this particular crisis, that is war between Russia and Ukraine, will also will also impact on the formation of, or the import, or the production of the chips, and that chips are majorly used in the auto industry. So basically, that means that has given an indication that yes, today auto sector stock may be in more focus for selling, and that is already presented. If you see here on I think Monday, market has tried to go up three times. Sorry, first time it has broken this level, and second, third, but no, lower highs were created. So this has actually the presentation of the buyers, weak buyers. I mean weak buyer. If you consider, or the current crisis of chip in the auto industry, and the current price chart or chart patterns of that particular stock or any auto stock, you can correlate easily. Shortage of chip means shortage of car manufacturing. That means less delivery, less sales, and less earning. And that has indicated that growth will be impacted hugely. And that growth will be represented in the chart. As you have seen, price have tried to grow, as company always try to grow up, but it was actually restricted by the fundamental reasons in the real world and in the virtual market like this. And this, you can see here, it was actually rejected by the buyers or the sellers, that no, price will not allow to go above, beyond this level. So you can correlate like this. And as we move to our second reason is this one: falling wage pattern. You can see here creation of lower highs and here higher lows, and ultimately it actually promotes, or it follows the current dominating pressure. So expectation was like it will fall as uh, as early as possible the breakout come. So here, first region is this symmetrical triangle pattern, and that indicates the presence of sellers. That means dominating pressure in this stock is selling, and on top of this, market is also in red, and rising wage pattern, falling wage pattern has formed. So these three regions are enough to sell, to go for short in this trade. I just booked profit in this trade on 2510. I have shorted this stock when this low was broken, that is 246 was my actually price, and this was my stop loss high, that is 2566. So around 20 rupees my stop loss, and on the basis of that I have booked 40 rupees profit. So 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio I have achieved in this trade, and still market is going down. Maybe stock will fall more, because if you see the nearest support zone for this stock is, let me zoom in the stock, you will have a very clear idea. Yes, here you can see, here this level around 2498 250 2500 is the nearest demand level for this stock, and that is actually getting tested now. So we can see rising of price from this level after 3 p.m. we can see, if tomorrow or day after tomorrow price will break this that demand zone, that means a support level, it will fall again and again. So we can actually expect the follow through action of ISR Motors is that it will go down if it will actually it will close below 2580. So this is the actually forecast of the movement of stock price of ISR Motors, and as per our usual video that I have shown how to correlate the news on the price chart and how company try to grow, and how stock price try to grow, but how it was dictated by the fundamental uh, regions, and here technical regions. So both are very much related to each other, and this is how I have traded today. Now the learning lesson from this trade is that simple. Try to listen the market, work what market is saying, and relate that sentiment with the current dominating pressure of the stock. So basically, you must be in main trend of both stock as well as market. So on this note, this is all about today's trade plan. Thank you guys. Keep watching, keep trading, and keep learning, because learning is the most important thing that will keep you in the market forever. So with this note, thank you and bye.